Hey friends, if you wish to clear Office, Word, Excel or PowerPoint cache, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it doesn't matter whether you're using PowerPoint, Excel, Word, the procedure remains the same. I'll show it on Word, you can do it on other applications. Click on File, select Options, click on Trust Center, select Trust Center Settings, go to Trusted Add-ons Catalog, check this option here. Next time Office starts, clear all previously started web cache and add-ons. Click on OK. Click on OK once again. Click on OK. Close this and then you can save or not save. I prefer not to save. And then open Word again and it will all be gone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.